Hello guys, today we are heading to Kanchanaburi province. We're gonna camp in Erawan National Park, which is about 3.5 hours far from Bangkok city center. But if you take a tollways, it's maybe 30 or 40 minutes faster. Today we will show you camping sites in Erawan National Park. We're gonna hike to the waterfalls and show you everything in Erawan National Park. So stay with us.
เดี๋ยวขออนุญาตเปิดบัตรกางเต็นท์เดี๋ยวขับตรงไปนะคะ100 เมตรเลี้ยวขวาบัตรประชาชน1 ใบลงทะเบียนเดี๋ยวขอแจ้งเส้นทาง
ได้ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะไปเลี้ยวขวา
Same every national parks. First you need to check in, come to the office and register.
ชื่อนามสกุลด้านล่างนะคะเดี๋ยวพี่ลงไปเอาลายเซ็นด้านล่างนะคะได้ค่ะนกแก๊กอยู่ด่านซื้อตั๋วด้านหน้าเลยค่ะจำเล่มกันด้วยนะเดี๋ยวสลับนะคะเรียนค่ะอันนี้ก็ไม่รู้ก็ไม่รู้เป็นปลาราคาดำดูสินี่จิ๊ก
Three steps up.
You have more than this. Need to go another building.
Really?
Yeah. Good. กินข้าวค่ะ
อันนี้อยู่
ตรงไปนะคะ แล้วก็ซ้ายขอบคุณค่ะเป็นกูสติ
Okay, we arrived to the Erawan National Park. The road a bit busy today because it's long holiday. We are searching for the good spot to put the tent up. Let's take a look around. Public tent. Oh, it's very big river, very beautiful view. I like it. It's going to rain. Okay, finally we choose this spot. Okay, now let's see why we choose this tent. The rain started again. Very heavy rain, but fortunately we already set up the tent and we put the cover on that. Yeah, and we back inside the car. See, yeah, totally wet. Cannot do anything now. Amoni, how are you? Totally wet, huh?
Wet, yeah.
Yeah.
Wet again.
Yeah, just 10 minutes. If we had like 10 or 15 more minutes, we could finish everything, because this tent is like so easy to set it up. Our new tent. It was our first time, a little bit, you know, we had challenge, but 10 times faster than our previous tent. But the rain didn't let us finish. Okay, after rain, we will back to the tent. See you there. Okay, rain totally stopped. Just some drop. It's fine. Yeah, we covered the tent and our equipment like this. See, wow. Okay. Finally we set it up. Now we just need to, during the continue setting up the tent, the heavy rain started again. Today it's totally wet. It's still rain. We didn't expect too much rain today. Just expect maybe 30-40% in the afternoon. Now it's almost 90% since we are here. It's rain. Now it's about 2 hours something. Okay, now we're going to find a socket. I think they provide that side. I will show you to charge the camera and phone, and a little walk around and show you the area and back to the tent. Okay, here you can charge your electrical devices. They provide many sockets here. Rent. If you think maybe you don't come often and you don't want to buy the tent, you can come to rent here. I think it's about 300 baht per night, but I will ask the office tomorrow to be sure. But I don't think you can move them, just they provide 2 area here and there beside the river. Yeah, just you can choose the tents. They provide like maybe about 20-30 here and about 10 that side. morning. It's about 8 a.m. We pack everything and we going to hike to the waterfall. This sun is so strong and we cannot go earlier than this because they open the gate about 8, as I know. So see you at the waterfall. Okay, we parked the car, come to grab some fruit and heading to the waterfall.
Waterfall. Then when you get to level 3 also the waterfall is higher than this one. No jumping in the way, diving in the way. Because of the lagoon over there. Alright? The level 4 will be like this, inside and just lean yourself to the rock and then play with the water. This will be level 4.
If you want to walk from the camping site to the waterfall, you will come from here.
Maybe they could get. I think they used to have people, but they would go and say them. Yeah. Pick the dog.
Here, you guys get ahead of me.
If you put it in your hand,
Oh, it's like a 15-minute walk. Still. It took us 32 minutes to get up there.
if you put it in your hand, it's purple.
Wow, that's amazing.
I don't believe that. How would you like it? Do you want the background or the whole body?
We are at the 7th waterfall. it wasn't that difficult to get here. Yeah. We're gonna spend a bit time here and heading back maybe in 15 to 30 minutes. Oh, it's super cool. We're back to the 5th waterfall. Yeah, we take a rest here. Had some fruit. It's amazing. The weather super perfect, and the water cool. Yeah, it's great. I think we directly back to the campsite. Maybe in the afternoon. 40 to 60% rain, so we try to get to the tent before that and start cooking lunch. Amazing, super good, so fresh. I really recommend you be here about 7-8 a.m. You see how busy it is now. Now it's about noon. Get the deposit of bottle of water back.
กี่ชิ้นคะเลข14เนาะเรียบร้อยค่ะอันนี้ได้เซ็นในพาสปอร์ต มันมีไซส์เดียวใช่ไหมคะไม่อยากล้างทำอะไรวะ
Okay guys, we already packed the stuff. We are leaving Erawan National Park back to Bangkok. I wanted to give the review of the place. Overall, the national park definitely beautiful, worth visiting for sure. Many beautiful waterfalls, the hiking trails to explore, many beautiful spots. Yeah, but however, the camping site, it was quite small. I mean, the camping ground that have the good view, view of the river. It was quite small. If you come on weekend, maybe you cannot find a good spot to set up your tent. And exactly in front of the camping site was the road, so a bit noisy, even late at night. Yeah, so you don't feel you're in deep in the nature. Yeah, just that. Everything good here. The weather nice. Yeah, not too windy like some national parks, and there are a lot of shops here, and 2 kilometers to the local market, and about I think 4 or 5 kilometers there is a 7-Eleven, and you can leave the national park even late at night. I think before 9 actually. You can just inform the staff and leave. Since some national parks you cannot leave. Like I think Kauya is like this. If you leave, you need to pay the entrance fee again, especially for foreigner. Yeah. So it was good. It was good. I recommend you to come here, especially for hiking and visiting the waterfall. Okay, we are leaving, heading to Bangkok. So see you on next trip.